In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide work experience in LinkedIn. Whether you're updating your profile for a new job hunt, or simply wanting to present your professional journey in a new light, modifying the visibility of your work experience can be an essential step. Let's walk through this process together so you can make these changes quickly and effectively. First, let's head over to LinkedIn. Open up your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. If you're not already logged in, click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials and you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage. This is your personal hub where you can see updates from your connections and engage with your professional network. Now, let's go to your profile. You'll want to find your profile icon or picture. It's usually located at the top of the page. Click on that to access your LinkedIn profile. This is where all your professional information is displayed, from your work experience to your skills and endorsements. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option. You might find it under a drop-down menu next to your profile icon. This section is where you can control various aspects of your LinkedIn account, including your privacy settings and how others see your information. Once you've entered the Settings and Privacy area, find the Visibility section. This allows you to choose who can see different parts of your profile. Click on Visibility of your profile and network. This option will let you access more specific settings about how your profile is viewed by others. From here, select Edit your public profile. This option will guide you through to a new page where you can control what is shown on your public profile. Here's where you'll fine-tune who sees your work experience. Look for the Current or Past Experience option as you scroll through the page. When you find it, click on it to manage the settings for your work experience. You'll see a list of checkboxes next to various aspects of your profile information. To hide your work experience, simply uncheck the box next to it. Congratulations! By unchecking this option, your past and current work experiences are now hidden from your public LinkedIn profile. Remember, these changes only reflect what is visible to the public. Your connections may still be able to see your complete profile based on your network settings. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your LinkedIn profile to keep certain work experiences private. Always make sure to review your settings regularly to ensure your profile aligns with your career goals. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.